Welcome to all. Today I want to make a quick episode on the teachings of Neville Goddard and how it can help you in your life. If this is of interest to you, please stay tuned till the end of the episode. Now without further ado, let's get into it. Neville Goddard said, you must be in the consciousness of having or being that which you want to have or be before you drop off to sleep. Once asleep, man has no choice. His entire slumber is controlled by his last waking moment concept of self. What does it mean? It means that what you think about, what you have affirmed, what you're visualizing, your state of mind, your state of being before you fall asleep will impress your subconscious mind for the rest of your sleeping hours. And that's why we always talk about impressing the subconscious mind before we go to sleep and doing affirmation before we go to sleep. And that's why I always say, do not go to sleep feeling negative. Do not go to sleep with negative thoughts. That's why no matter what you do, distract yourself. Find a way to, at the very least, feel neutral about your situation right now. And at the very best, you want to imagine, you want to sleep in a positive state of mind. And this is something you should remember. That's so important because whatever you think about before you fall asleep is what is going to be impressed on your subconscious mind that particular night. So do not take it lightly. Even in Buddhism, the Buddha used to say that before we die, our next destination after we die will be depending on two things. The first one, not in any particular order of importance, the first one would be your karma, your actions of your past and present lives. And the second thing will be your last thought. So, this is no joke. And I'm talking about death. I'm not even talking about sleep. We could argue that death, going to sleep every day, is the death of this day, right? We could argue this and it makes sense, right? But I'm talking about death of this life. This is the last moment of your life. And your thought will direct your consciousness toward your next destination. So even the Buddha talked about this. So remember, before you fall asleep, stay clear of social media, stay clear of movie. Take 20, 30 minutes to meditate, to do something that will put you in a positive state of mind. I recommend meditating 5-10 minutes and then visualizing, listening to some soft music, dreaming about the end that you want to see fulfilled, seeing what you want in the future to be right now. Live in the end as much as you possibly can. Relax the mind, relax the body by meditating, by dozing off, and put yourself in a more drowsy state of mind. Then live in the end and fall asleep in this end. And you will be assured that your slumber, your entire slumber would be infused with this end that you have visualized, script, affirmed while falling asleep. That's all I have to say. Remember, this is crucial. Do not fall asleep in a negative state of mind. Fall asleep while living in the end. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Sebastian, a mindset, mindfulness, and meditation coach. If you want more information, please check the description box below. Thank you so much for listening. If you want more content along the lines of Joseph Murphy, Neville Goddard, all that good stuff, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you very soon.